what's up, DIYers? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking Chrysler Pacificas today. And hey, in the event that your engine will not start, we're going to show you a hidden feature, key fob wise, and hopefully we can get your engine started. Let's take a look. All right, DIYers, we are in the garage, and on the far end of the garage is our Chrysler Pacifica. It is a 2018, and as I have mentioned in several of our videos, we're always busy here. I promise you that. 1991 Z24 Cavalier. We will be working on that. And my wife's 1995 Sea-Doo XP. We will have a lot of helpful DIY repair videos on that upcoming. However, again, back to the Chrysler Pacifica and the hidden start procedure on your key fob and start stop push button. All right, DIYers, coming in driver's side, and I've got the key fob up on the steering wheel, as you can see right there. And to the right of that is our center console with all of the push buttons, basically your push button control panel. And again, I'm going to show you a hidden feature within the key fob. Now, there are a couple symptoms or things that can go wrong. Your battery can completely go dead, or your key fob can completely malfunction. However, if neither of those are the case, this hidden feature will still work. And what I mean by that is the key fob is still being detected on your actual instrument cluster by your onboard computer. Again, the battery's not completely dead, nor has the key fob completely malfunctioned to a point where you're trying to start the engine and the key fob is not detected. In our case, ours is detected. And with that said, I want to talk about the frequency that is actually sent from this key fob to your onboard computer. And anytime that frequency is interrupted or interfered with, well, the key fob will not be able to communicate with the onboard computer as it is designed to do. However, again, it is still detected. So in the event that you've got low battery voltage, that could actually weaken the frequency sent to the onboard computer and interfere with the communication. However, again, our key fob is detected, and we can unlock. As you can see there, I locked it, unlocked. Okay, the key fob still works. However, in your case, it might just be low battery voltage, still communicating with the onboard computer. What I'm going to do is come down here, push on the brake pedal, and then take the very top tip portion of your key fob and push the engine start stop push button. And that is going to allow the hidden feature within the key fob to communicate with the onboard computer. And the frequency will be sent directly through here and start your engine. Again, simultaneously holding that friendly pressure on the brake pedal, the top tip of the key fob, push and hold until the engine starts. And there we go. As you do this, I recommend trying not to gouge, scratch, or scrape any portion of this push button. You don't want a long-lasting, forever scar on that push button from this procedure. And I've got some low tire pressure. I'm going to shut the door and turn my turn signal off. I must have accidentally hit that. And I just added tire pressure to the 4 tires, so that should go away. So in the event that you're having this issue, our current odometer is 70,471 miles. So I wanted to show you that. And DIYers, as you can see, our engine is up and running. And I'm going to turn it off from here. You can basically just come down and push it with your finger without touching the brake. And the engine is off. So again, DIYers, I wanted to show you that. Now, something very important. In the event that this does not work or this isn't your exact issue, what I mean by that is your key fob is not actually being detected, and right on the instrument cluster, it says key fob not detected. Definitely check out the link scrolling above. We will also post that link down below in the comments and description, and we are going to show you additional hidden features within the key fob that will allow you to unlock and start the engine without the key fob being detected. And really only 2 things can cause that. Number 1, a dead battery in your key fob, or number 2, which is the worst case scenario, your key fob has completely malfunctioned and is faulty. And if that happens, you'll need a new key fob, and we are going to have a link down below in the comments and description on where to purchase a brand new OEM key fob exactly like this. So again, definitely check those out. And we hope this helps. Hey, do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.